Hello everyone. Please like and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Stay tuned. It will start shortly. Our topic is how to remove the homepage hijacker such as Total Recipe Search. If your homepage is hijacked, it will look like this. On the right top corner, you can see the icon of the Total Recipe Search. Your browser is managed. Extensions. You will wonder who is that administrator. As far as you know, you did not give permission and you should be the administrator of your own personal computer. The danger in this is your administrator can change your browser setup remotely. Activity on this device may also be managed outside of Chrome. Show you how to navigate to see the extensions in Chrome. So go to Control, More Tools, then Extensions. In this page, you will see the extensions installed in Chrome. Remember the ID number of each extension. The Total Recipe Search is not here anymore because I already deleted it. But just in case it's here and you are not able to delete it, remember the ID number so you could delete it in Registry Editor. In this screen, you can still see the Total Recipe Search extension. There's a remove button here. You may use this to remove it. However, if it's already in the registry, there's a possibility that it will go back again. Worst case scenario, the remove button is missing. And you will also wonder why your browser is managed by your organization. This is your personal computer. How come there's an organization that managing your browser? In this case, there's no way to delete it here. The only way to delete is through Registry Editor. There's one way to fix it through setting. So go to Control, then Settings, then go to Default Browser, then click Advanced, scroll down, then go to Restore Settings to their original defaults, then click the Reset Settings button. Afterwards, go to Clean Up Computer. In this, Chrome can find harmful software on your computer and remove it. Just click Find. It may take longer depending on the speed of your computer and the volume of harmful software. In this screen, the Total Recipe Search is still here. So it found one item. Then trying to remove the software. But if it failed, then means we have to remove it in Registry Editor. In Windows 10, locate your magnifying glass, then type re, and the Registry Editor will appear. Then run it as administrator. This message box will appear. Just click yes. This is the screen of Registry Editor. So we're going to look at the H key current user, then locate the software, then find the Google, click the tab, Google tab, then go to Chrome. So if you haven't deleted yet the Total Recipe Search, it will appear here. The ID number is important. If it's not there anymore, means it's already deleted. Then let's go to the H key local machine. We also have to go to software, then locate Google again, then the Chrome tab. Here I already deleted the Total Recipe Search, so it's it's not appearing on the screen anymore. But if it's still there, total recipe ID will appear, then just delete it. Afterwards, problem is solved. Some tips on how to protect your computer against similar issue in the future. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my new YouTube channel.